Angel, welcome to my channel. Here I come with colorful sharp winged eyeliner look which are trending right now, and I also tell some tips and tricks to create this look. So let's jump into the video. First start with the base makeup. For this I'm using Maybelline Master Prime Primer. It's a nice budget friendly primer, and I'm also talking about this primer in my previous video, so please check it out. And for foundation I'm using PAC HD foundation in the shade 1.3, and it's a dupe of MAC Studio Fix Fluid foundation, and it also a budget friendly foundation, so you can use this and it's give you a nice medium to full coverage. In this look, I'm not using concealer, so I also use this foundation on my under eye area because in summer we prefer less product on our face. This foundation not heavy on skin. As you can see, it gives second skin effect on my skin. Because of this, my base look hydrated and healthy. To set my base, I am using MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the shade NC25. I apply this powder on my highlighted area with damp beauty blender for more coverage, and use powder brush to set rest of my face. If you want a light coverage on daily basis, so you can wear this powder with concealer on as a base, and it's give you a nice coverage and you're good to go. And for eye makeup, I pick Colourpop Ooh La La palette. It has very nice shades which are perfect for this summer. I apply Poddle shade, which is a light pink, on my whole eyelid with a blending brush. I also apply this shade on my lower lash line with a small pencil brush. To make a ultra sharp winged eyeliner, I'd give you some tips, because with liquid eyeliner it's easy to make a wing, but with pencil eyeliner we need to be more careful. Tip number 1. For winged eyeliner, you can use sellotape on sides of your eyes. And here come with the star product of this eye look, blue eyeliner. And for this I am using Nika Glamoreyes eye pencil, Blue Hex 01. Tip number 2. If you are not comfortable with the sellotape, so you can take sharp edge of any tube product on side of your eyes and make a wing. After this, draw eyeliner with take small portion to give a nice winged finish. Tip number 3. If it's not perfect, so you can take earbud and to correct the eyeliner and to give a nice finish. With the same procedure, I apply the eyeliner on my other eye. This eyeliner has very nice pigment, and I also used this on my previous makeup video. I share the link in my description box so you can check out. Tip number 4. Use concealer on the edges of eyeliner with a flat brush. Because of this trick, eyeliner look ultra sharp. After this step, we accomplish our ultra sharp winged eyeliner mission. Just kidding. After this, we apply kajal on my upper waterline. This trick also helps to look our lashes fuller after using mascara. Before apply mascara, I apply the primer on my lashes and let them dry. And in meantime, I do my rest of face makeup. And first I start with the bronzer. And for bronzer, I am using Physician Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade medium. I'm contouring and bronzing my cheekbones, forehead and my jawline, and also on my nose. This bronzer shade perfect for fair to medium skin tone, and it gives some dimension to my face. For mascara, I apply Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Volume Express Mascara. It gives length and volume to my lashes, and I apply 1 to 2 coats. And for blush, I apply Kiko Milano Fusion Trio Blush in the shade 04 Peach Rose, and it is very nice, decent finish, and you can build this blush as per your need. Kiko Milano products is paraben free and non-comedogenic products. And for highlighter, I pick Mary Luminizer from the brand The Balm. It gives nice sheen to my face, and it also provides soft, smooth and subtle glow. I apply this highlighter on my high points. To set my makeup, I spray MAC Prep and Prime Fix. It set my makeup for a longer time and give instant boost of hydration. And for lipstick, I am using Bobbi Brown Crushed Lip Color in the shade Give a Fig. It's a sort of like a balm, and it's moisturized my lips and doesn't dry them. And it's very comfortable and plumped on my lips and give a nice sheen like a gloss. This shade suitable for all skin tones. Lastly, I apply some powder on my under eye area and my cheekbones. Hope you enjoy this look and my tip and tricks. If you like them, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye.